ISTE2F deals with instructional design, and so I use my Schoolology Talking Nerdy After Dark, my science hotline that I created for my plant biotech classes. I created this due to the high levels of teen pregnancy and truancy that we experience a lot in a Title I setting. And so the teacher gets frustrated, the student gets frustrated. So this was to bridge the gap and build a morale so that when students are absent due to pregnancy, due to truancy, they can still maintain academically. They still have access to all of the instructional readings, the content, the plan of what is expected daily. And so it also tracks their student progress. They're able to contact me at any time. And I created this for after school. So it starts at 3 p.m. and it ends at midnight. So I always had someone checking in to see if students needed something, because a lot of students also work. They have to take care of their babies. So this was just to increase morale and to also level the frustration of the students as well as the teachers. It has worked wonders. Some other teachers have begun to do this same thing. And that way the teacher can still track student process, can still set up a grade book. The student is still on task and passing the course, so they don't have to end up going to night school or going to summer school. They're able to stay on track. So I was really excited when this took off so well, because the bottom line is, with me working in a Title I school, truancy is going to be there, teen pregnancy is going to be there. That's not going anywhere anytime soon. The students have to pass according to state standards. We cannot flunk them. We have to make sure that we've done everything possible for them to be academically successful. So this has truly been a blessing for me as a science teacher, as a teacher in general. I'm able to have my welcome using VoiceThread, and even my students have started using VoiceThread. So it allowed them to also be introduced to other tools that they can use. My website, they were able to go on here, and one of the things that they had to do was to create their own website. And so it just introduced them to a lot, and it really increased our rapport. Even my troubled students who don't like to work, I've gotten so much progress from them as well. So it's about learning the student needs and meeting those needs where they are.